I wanted to talk to you about the rules of Respondus. Okay, Respondus Lockdown Browser is going to keep you in your viewing window. Okay, it's not going to let you switch tabs, let you switch to a different browser or anything like that. It's going to keep you in your test, focused on your test. It's also could be recording you while you take your test. Okay, so the rules about this recording business, first of all, make sure you're in a good spot. Okay, make sure you're in a location where you won't be interrupted. If you have some kids or some background noise happening, that's fine. All right, but just try to keep distractions to a minimum. You are taking a test. Proper lighting is necessary, so don't sit in front of a window, okay, because that backlight is not going to show your face very well, and your face must be visible at all times. Okay, proper camera angle is essential, so I need to make sure that I can see your face and as much of your testing environment as possible. All right, so if you scoot over too far away from your screen, it's going to keep pestering you to put your face back in front of the screen. Okay. You will need some identification documents like a student ID, driver's license, or something so that I can prove that it is you that is taking the test and not a friend. All right. I'm also going to ask you to scan your environment before you get started. So just take your webcam or laptop or whatever it is and turn it all the way around. I just need to make sure there's nobody else in the room with you. I also want you to show me your workspace. Okay, so like the desk you're writing on, show me, that you don't have your cell phone out, that you don't have any notes out, you don't have your textbook. Okay, and I also want to, if you're using some blank scrap paper to take the test, that's fine, but I want you to hold it up to the camera, front and back, just to make sure that it is in fact blank scrap paper that you are using. Make sure you have a good internet connection. All right. I don't want it to throw you out during a test. So make sure that it is a good connection. So just concentrate on the exams. Don't worry about being recorded. All right. I'm not ever going to share this video with anybody unless you're cheating. I will have to share it with my supervisors. But otherwise, it's just something I'm just going to browse through and make sure you're not cheating on. Okay, so don't stress about it. If you need to have food or drink in the background, that's fine. Just work on your test. Okay. Once you've started, you need to stay seated, complete the test. If you do have to get up and disappear from the screen, it says that you're going to receive a 0 for the quiz. I know things happen. Sometimes you go to the restroom, or sometimes that kid needs some, whatever. Just let me know what's happening and then get back as quick as possible. Okay. So just talk to the screen, tell me what's happening, but otherwise I really need you to stay in your seat and finish the test. So any violations of these will affect your grade. Okay. Occasionally a warning might be issued, but repeat offenses will not be tolerated. Okay. So for example, that backlighting issue, it may get you a warning on the first offense, but a 0 on the second offense. All right. I need you to make this as easy as possible for me to make sure you're not cheating. Okay. It should just be simple, but I just need your help with it, please.